will work on the next stage from the next week. Today we have just completed our time. If you people have left any questions in the chat box, I would like I can see there are, is that right? Gyan, there are about 99 questions in the chat box.
No, they're not 99 questions. These people are talking to each other.
Huh?
They're talking
People
to
are
each
talking
other.
to each other. They're not chatting. They're not asking
They're
questions.
chatting.
Oh, they were chatting among themselves.
Yes.
Okay. Do you want to share some chats? For the fun of it. Let us be frank, what is wrong in it? Aren't we here? Asi Sindhi aayu pan mein dil khole ga rahe hu. Feel free. असांखे यो opportunity मिली है.
Name is Kamal. His name is Kamal uncle.
Oh, why didn't you
Acha Baba.
John, you can, if there are any questions, please do read out.
No, there haven't been any questions so far.
Okay, then what I will do is, from this first plate, if anybody raises their hand now, can ask a question. I have left about half an hour for questions. Monica, please go ahead and shoot your question.
As the first, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
This is our first class and many of us don't know how to speak. So 3 important sentences were said in class today and people did comment in the chat. Can you please tell us what those sentences are so we can write it and the translation? I am Sindhi, we are Sindhi, and we will speak in Sindhi.
Perfect. You got it already. Ma Sindhi Aya.
Ma Sindhi Aya.
Ma Sindhi Aya. I am Sindhi.
Asi Sindhi Ayu.
Ayu. We are all Sindhi.
Sindhi Aya.
Asi Sindhi aayu.
Sindhi mein galayandasi.
Sindhi mein galayandasi.
See.
We will speak in Sindhi.
Jai
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 Jhulelal.
Jhulelal.
Patron deity, and that is our greeting. That is your ID greeting. Jai Jhulelal. If you say Hari Om, Ram Ram, Jai Sri Krishna, you are nobody. You don't have identity. That belongs to the whole India. What belongs to you is Jai Jhulelal. Nobody else will say that. Only a Sindhi will say that. That belongs to you. That is your heritage. You have right over it. And you must claim it with pride and boldness. Jai Jhulelal.
Jai Jhulelal.
Jai Jhulelal.
Yes, that's what. And feel proud about it. I am telling you. The moment you start feeling proud for yourself being Sindhi and Jhulelal Sai, all others will respect you. All others will respect you. I gave you the example of that senior center. Hundreds of them. Now they give respect to us. We Sindhian. They are Sindhis. Yes, we are Sindhis.
Districts and the names of the town.
Hete Hindu temple hai Assam Fremont mein. I'll give you another example. I conduct my Romanized Sindhi classes there. If something else came up, oh, aap wahan kar lena, aap wahan kar lena. But they saw that I was insistent, persistent. The result was, after 8 years, they have put it in their calendar. Saraswati Hall reserved for Sindhi school, Sindhi classes. If they have to give to someone, they call me and take my permission. Sir, can we give your hall to someone else? We established our identity. We are a very small part of the community. But persistence, insistence, and showing the courage that built our identity. Now they call us and ask us, can we give your hall assignment to someone else? That is called pride. When you have got pride, when you are a proud Sindhi, others will respect you. So feel proud. I'll tell you why. We'll go in the next week's lesson and we'll discuss in detail. There are a number of reasons why should we feel proud. And we must be proud. By proud means not that we are looking down on someone, but we are not compromising our position. That's the main thing. We will not compromise our position. Any other questions? Hikro, Monica, jo, bio question?
Yeah, there's one from
Yeah.
Nikki Tarachandani. She's asking, what part of Sindhi are you from?
What part of?
Sindh are you from? Sorry.
They are asking me.
Yeah.
First, I want to know all of you. I know my town. I was born there. The streets. I remember my house. I have been there once after that 40 years. And I found it out myself. My boss did not believe me. I had left when I was 6 years old. I told him to leave me at the bank of the river. I will walk over myself and find my house. And they followed me. I said, don't even come with me. Follow me. I went and found out my house. They were totally surprised. I got that clear memory of sin. I went and stood in front of the house. That Muslim guy came out. He said, "Kya kaam hai?" मुझे काम नहीं है, ये मेरा मकान है. He got perplexed. तब मुझे पूछा थी 6 जना बैठे हैं. He did not dare to say anything. He was totally blank. मुझे मैं यहाँ पैदा हुआ था, ये मेरा मकान है. तुम डरो मत, मैं लेने नहीं आया. I have just come to see it. So I know my roots in sin and I can share it with you. Don't worry. But each one of you must establish. You owe to yourself. That will help us to learn Sindhi as we go. What I want to do with you people is to create that identity in your mind. That faith, that belief, and that self-respect and pride. That by the end of this class, when we have finished this session, you will truly believe that you belong to that civilization. One of the oldest civilization on this earth. If you have any questions which you want to ask, not in front of anybody else, but if you feel little hesitant, do not feel shy. Please do ask questions because that will help to raise those curtains which are there. Shears and shields in between. Let us remove them. Let us be frank and learning and understanding. By end of this session that we will have, I will have learned a lot of things from you too. I have got 9 years experience of teaching Sindhi, but lot of interaction with Sindhi community all over the world. I have attended 12 international Sindhi Sammelans. I have made presentations in those Sammelans. I have traveled to India every year. Even last January I was there. When I go to India, I go to many towns and I meet lots of people. My entire purpose is to connect with the Sindhi community wherever they are. This morning, I was interviewed by a talk show from Bombay. It was for 2 hours I was with them from morning 8 o'clock to 10 o'clock, 7:30 to 10:30. There was a talk show. And in that talk show, they ultimately came to asking this question, Uncle, tell us Romanized Sindhi that you are propagating. And on that subject, when I spoke, they said that we have learned so much, but that was not enough. We'll call you again. We want to invite you again on this talk show and give us more information so that more people are aware of it. What is this Romanized Sindhi that you are teaching and how it is effective? So there's plenty to learn, plenty to share, but I want you to be really frank. Be honest with yourself, be honest with me, and feel that this is your opportunity, golden opportunity, that we are able to share this experience and learn from this.
I just want to share that, I attended the International Sindhi Sammelan in San Francisco 2 years ago, and there was
Yes.
a woman there by the name of Ms. Saz Agrawal, who did a
Yes.
separate talk, just a small informal talk to share her stories during the partition because she was there. So she
Yes.
wrote a book, and I want to share with everyone. I bought it from Amazon recently, and I think
Yes.
I'm going to start reading this, and it would be a good adjunct to this class, learning the language and then the experiences of the people that went on the trains and everything else during the partition and what their journey was like. And if there's anyone else that has any books, easy to read books that share the culture, I think everyone here would probably benefit from knowing what those books are.
Yes. Very good, very good. There are a number of books. Incidentally, Monica, in that book, there are 3 pages she has devoted to interviews she had with me on the last day of the Sammelan. So if you go on page 660, there are 3 pages of interviews she had with me. She has recorded those.
On which page?
660. This is the day she was leaving, and till she could catch her flight, she was sitting with me and she said, "Uncle, go on telling me." She recorded on her recorder, and she went to India, and then from there she wrote it out and put it in the book.
Okay, I only have the first version. The version, I think, before she added.
Okay. This is the first one. That's the second book, which is about 700 pages.
Okay.
Saz Agarwal is a good writer. She's gathering just like Nandita Bhavnani, she has also written a lot of books.
And what was the book? Someone else, I think Nina, you just showed a book. Someone else just lifted a book.
Yes.
I just put a link to
Sindhology.
to both of her books. Yeah.
This Sindhology is from, if I mistake not,
Yeah, it was
from
it was
Adipur.
sponsored by- It was sponsored by Hiranandani.
Hiranandani.
Yeah.
Good, good. I am sure that we'll be able to share so much information among ourselves that by end of the session, you will be feeling that you belong. That's the main feeling. You belong. Any other questions? Okay, then let us say that we are ready to conclude the session, but at the end of the session, I always do same thing, which I told you earlier. All of you, please unmute yourself. Gyan, unmute everybody. Everybody, please unmute, because break that shell. Chaundasi Vari, Sagigal. Sabcho, Ma Sindhi Aya.
Sindhi Aya.
Asi Sindhi Ayun.
Sindhi Ayu.
Sindhi में ॻाल्हाईंदासीं.
Sindhi में ॻाल्हाईंदासीं.
जय झूलेलाल.
जय झूलेलाल.
Very good.
Thank
ॾाढो
you.
सुठो. ॾाढो
you,
सुठो.
uncle.
God bless.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Uncle.
Thank you.
Bye.
Okay, bye.
Thank you. Bye. Gyan, bye. Jai Jhulelal, bye.
Jai Jhulelal.
Thank you. Bye.
Hi, Meena.
Auntie.
I remember you.
Yeah, a long time.